Good day everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. I'm Christine, your licensed real estate broker here in Cebu and your property tour buddy here. So right now, just do the drill. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates. So right now, we are here in a 80 square meter townhouse which is situated in Banawa, Cebu City. Banawa is pretty close to Maha. It's the newest school here and it offers colleges. And it is also pretty close to trauma hospitals, Cebu doctors, and so much more. So, let's dig into this property. So, we are here in the garage area that can accommodate at least 2 SUVs. Now let's go inside this property. As we enter through this property, I think you can notice that this is the living area. And we already have provisions for television here. And we also have the air conditioner for the ground floor. For the ground floor. I think it has a horsepower of 2.5 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this door here is for the powder room. It's just a small powder room. And then right after that, we have here our clean kitchen. And then this is already included in the sale. All you have to do is just buy a range hood. Now let's go to the service area. So this is the service area and we have here a water pump. This is a water pump, right? That pressurizes, pressure tank. This is a pressure tank that pressurizes water to go up to the second floor. And then we have here the maid's quarter with its own toilet and bath. As of now, we can't go inside because it's locked. And then here, this is for the dining area. Now let's go to the bedroom area at the second floor. Here at the landing, we can notice the skylight ceiling, which allows light to come inside this house. Actually, we are not using any electrical lights right now because it's all off, turned off, but we are using only the natural light. So this is just economic saver. So we have here 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathroom. This one here is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 already has an air conditioner and this can fit a double-sized bed. A single to double-sized bed. And then let's go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 already has a closet for the dresses or what do you call that? Any other long gown. And then this one is a closet for folding clothes. Foldable clothes, what I call that. Anyway, and we have here air conditioner. Then let's go to the master's bedroom. By the way, this one is a shared toilet and bathroom for bedrooms 1 and 2. I think it's very dark. Okay, so the shower area is enclosed with a glass enclosure. And then here we go, the master's bedroom. And the master's bedroom can fit a king-size bed. It's quite huge. It's wide. And then we have a balcony over there. It's just a small balcony, but it can fit a small chair. So this room can fit a king-size bed, and we got here an inverter air conditioner. And then the master bedroom has its en-suite toilet and bathroom. The shower area is enclosed with a glass enclosure, literally. And then whenever you want to use the shower and then your partner will use the toilet, then you can just do it, but without privacy though. Anyway, that's okay. So guys, there you go. interested about this property, just call us at 0917-7999429 or you may email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless once again. I'm Christine Pantal.